So over here, what you can actually do in AnyDesk is, let's say, for example, access the other person's computer. And when you actually do that and the other person accepts, you'll be able to see that the window right here is inside of this particular window. But let's say you want to go ahead and access it full screen so that you get like full control and you will be able to see more detail. In that case, you can simply go around onto display and then over here choose full screen. Once you do that, it goes to full screen mode and now you can see everything right here and you seem to be in the other person's computer directly right here. You'll be able to go around over here just like this. As you can see, you can right click and so forth right here. So let's say I want to get out of the full screen now, and in that case, simply hover around your mouse on the top and you'll be able to see like you have an option to get back onto regular window right here. You can go around over here onto full screen again right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go to full screen, then I can go around and minimize it out as well and access out AnyDesk right here just like this back in full screen. You get more options around over here as well in full screen mode just like this. Let me just click back and you get back to the normal mode right here. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the full screen mode in AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.